everyone, so today I thought it would be fun to bring you a cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning both of the kids' rooms, or I guess all three of the kids' rooms, but it's 2 rooms. And my parents took the kids for the morning, just a couple of hours, because they even took Ella, so it's just a short time. But I thought it would be a great opportunity to kind of reorganize their rooms and just dust and clean everything really well, because anytime I feel like I try to clean the kids' rooms with them here, they take out stuff too. So pretty much every night, mainly Leah is really good about picking up her room. Hunter's still little, so if I'm not intentional about being on top of him, he really doesn't pick up his room. But his room stays pretty picked up, but they don't really put things exactly where I have them organized. So I just want to go through, sort all the toys, make sure they're all organized, and then dust and do all of that. I'm not going to be changing the sheets or anything like that today, just mainly picking up, tidying up the rooms, and dusting and stuff like that. So let's get cleaning. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to show you the state of Hunter's room. So he left a couple things out last night that he forgot to put away. Like I said, if I don't come and make sure he puts the stuff away, it kind of doesn't get put away. So that still needs to be picked up. And then this is like his toy organizer. So I want to take everything out and dust everything. Also, sometimes things from downstairs make their way upstairs. So I have these 2 things that need to make their way back downstairs. Then the teepee, I always like to have it set up for them whenever they come. So like I have like a fire pillow and stuff like that. So it's always fun to set up. Then here, that block again needs to make its way back downstairs. And then I just want to make his bed. It is too hard for him to make his bed. He's 2. And this bed has drawers at the bottom. So it's too hard for him to make it. So he doesn't make his bed at this age, so I'm going to make his bed for him. And then the books fell. That was actually me who did that, not him. But I want to go ahead and change out their books because we don't have a bookshelf for the kids right now. I had to take that bookshelf and use it for something else. So their books are put away, so it's kind of hard for them to pick out the books that they want and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to cycle them out every few weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and change out the books. That way he has some new books here. So that's kind of the game plan for Hunter's room. Hunter's room is done. I organized the toys and I put everything back where it goes here. And then over here, I just reset up the TV for him. I mean, that'll last about 2.5 seconds, but it's still fun to set up. Then I just wiped everything down, like the cube organizer and the nightstand, made the bed. And this is like a superhero baby, which it's really cute because Leah has all these baby dolls, so Hunter wanted one, and we found this really cute superhero one, and he's really into superheroes, so we thought it was like perfect. So, and someone gave it to him. We put it on like an Amazon wish list, and someone gave it to him for Christmas, and he loves it. So we have that Wonder Baby there. And then over here, I changed out the books. That way he has some new books, and kind of organized the stuffed animals and kind of try to keep that under control. So here's one more look at his room, and then I vacuumed and mopped. Now to the girls' room. Okay, so now I am in the girls' room. Leah does a pretty good job of picking up her room. I mean, she just turned 5, but she does a pretty good job. But sometimes, you know, dolls fall down and things fall out of baskets, or she puts too much in one thing, so everything's like spewing out. So I just want to kind of go through, rearrange again. That way it's easier for her to put her stuff away. And then she normally does make her bed, but my mom picked her up early this morning. So I'm going to just make her bed for her and just kind of do the same thing that I did in Hunter's room, but in the girls' room. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning. Okay, so over here, this is more me coming in the middle of the night and things falling and stuff like that. But when I come to feed Ella, but this is Ella's stuff, so I'm just going to put that away. And then Ella's bed is fine over here. Then here, Leah tries to put the dolls away and kind of organize it, but I'm going to rearrange it for her. And the pillows get tossed and stuff with the canopy. I'm going to change out the books for her so that she has new books. Like I said, I'm going to make her bed. I kind of want to organize these because she just kind of piled everything in there, so I want to take some stuff out. Because it's way too crowded. And then they play on this bed, so I just want to remake this bed. And then these are the new books I pulled out to put on the shelf. And then I just want to vacuum and mop and dust everything. is done. Here's a look. I did the girls' beds. And then I just kind of moved some of the stuffed animals around. They're still pretty packed, but that's like Leah's favorite thing to play with, so I just left it. This side table was actually our living room side table, and when we bought a sectional, we didn't have the space for it, and the girls needed a nightstand, so we brought it up here. It's going to be painted like this. It definitely has seen better days. It's very chipped, but I'm going to paint it to match the headboard, so that'll be cute once that's done. But for now, I just dusted it, and then over here, I organized her dolls. That way they look a little bit neater, and then I changed out the books for her and kind of arranged the pillows and all of that. This I just kind of dusted. This stayed pretty much the same. I mean, I just kind of picked it up, but it stayed pretty much the same. Over here is like Leah's dress-up area, and that stayed pretty much the same. I just wiped the mirror. And then this is her, like, where her toys go. We don't have a great cube organizer right now. We kind of, for toy storage, just use what they had, and it just so happened the smaller cube organizer is the white one, and then the black one is the bigger one. So we definitely are going to have to get something bigger for the girls' room, but for now, this is what we had. So there's not huge organization here because they're similar toys, so she kind of just throws them in there, and I kind of just left it like that for now. So that stayed just like that. So if you saw blue tape throughout the video, excuse that, please excuse that. We moved in a month ago, and we did the floors when we moved in, or just before we moved in after we bought the place, and we still have not painted the baseboard, so that's why there's blue tape everywhere, in case you're wondering. So I hope you like this cleaning video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like cleaning and organization videos. I definitely love organizing. Cleaning takes a little more work, but I love organizing. So let me know if you enjoyed this video and what other types of videos do you want to see. If you're new to my channel, I'm doing a video every single day in August, so I'd love to hear what types of videos you guys enjoy seeing from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!